Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. So today we will be learning worksheet number 9. Where are they? Where are they? Where means kidhar. Okay? Who are they here? Now let us see. BEARS bears ARERSLEEPING sleeping. Bears are sleeping. BEARS bears ARERSLEEPING sleeping. Bears are sleeping. Bears are sleeping in the cave. In the cave. IN the CAVE cave. The CAVE cave. Bears are sleeping. Bears are sleeping in the cave. In the cave. Now here children, as you can see this picture. So which animal is this? Can you guess children? Yes, bear. It is bear. So here bear is sleeping. And where he is sleeping? He is sleeping in the cave. So this line says that bears are sleeping. Here many bears are there, but in this picture you can see only one. Here bear is sleeping in the cave. Now let us see the remaining lines. IWONDER wonder, WHEN when, THEY apostrophe double L they'll, COME come, OUT out. I wonder when they'll come out. I wonder when they'll come out. So when they'll come out of the cave. I wonder when they'll come out. So what is the answer? INTHE the SUMMER summer. In the summer. INTHE the SUMMER summer. In the summer. In the summer. Now, so when are these bears are going to come? They are going to come in the month of summer. Okay, they will come out of the cave in the month of summer. Now let us repeat one more time children. Bears are sleeping. Bears are sleeping in the cave. In the cave. I wonder when they'll come out. I wonder when they'll come out. In the summer. In the summer. Okay, you have to practice in this way children. Next, this picture is related to birds. Now let us see. BIRDS birds, ARERFLYING flying. Birds are flying. BIRDS birds, ARERFLYING flying. Birds are flying. Birds are flying. Where they are flying? In the sky. In the sky. INTHE the SKY sky. In the sky. INTHE the SKY sky. In the sky. In the sky. I wonder. WONDER wonder. WHEN when. THEY apostrophe double L they'll. COME come. BACK back. I wonder when they'll come back. IWONDER wonder. WHEN when. THEY apostrophe double L they will. COME come. BACK back. I wonder when they'll come back. When they will come back? In the summer. SUMMER summer. INTHE the SUMMER summer. Now let us repeat. Birds are flying. Birds are flying in the sky. In the sky. I wonder when they'll come back. I wonder when they'll come back. In the summer. In the summer. So children, here birds are flying. So where are they flying? They are flying in the sky. And when they'll come back? They'll come back in the month of summer. In the summer. So when are the bears are coming? In the summer. And when are the birds coming? Yeah, in the month of summer. So where are they? Here bears are sleeping in the cave. And here birds are flying in the sky. Okay children, now let us see based on this some question answers. Reading part, A bit. Complete these sentences with the correct words from the brackets. First one, bears dash in dash. Here in the bracket, caves and sleep has given. So you have to select the correct word in the correct blank. Okay, so first comes sleep. Bears sleep in caves. SLEEP sleep, CAVES caves. Okay, next second, dash come out of the cave in the dash. Here bears and summer he has given. So which comes first? Yes, bears. Who comes out of the cave? Bears come out of the cave. BEARS, bears come out of the cave in the summer. SUMMER, summer. Next, third, dash fly in the sky. In the bracket, birds and sky. So first comes birds, BIRDS, birds fly in the sky, SKY, sky. Dash come back in the summer. Birds and summer he has given. So you have to write first birds, 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 SUMMER, summer. Birds and summer. Next, children, fifth and sixth is the homework for you. You have to write by yourself. In the summer, I like to dash. What you like to do in summer? You have to write that word. Next, sixth is, I think the birds feel dash when they come back. What they feel after they come back, you have to write that word. Okay, these two blanks are homework for you. Next, B bit. How many times is the word summer found in the poem? How many times can you guess, children? Now let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times summer has been came. So FOUR, 4 you have to write. Okay. Now children, CBT is you have to tell to the teacher that what do you like to do in the summer when it is very hot? What do you like to do? You have to tell me, okay? So well, that's all for today children. I hope you will do this to 5th and 6th homework. And please do practice this about bears and birds. How I have read the poem. Okay? So that's all for today. Take care. Bye-bye.